A shipyard worker was preparing to replace a high-pressure steam valve that was faulty and leaking in an engine room. The valve was part of a 600 psi steam system on a vessel. Other shipyard personnel had previously located all the valves and drains and isolated the steam system according to the ship's as-built drawings. All the drains indicated on the as-built drawings of the ship were opened and depressurized. The drains were then marked with tags. As one of the workers loosened the bolts around the faulty valve, a tremendous burst of steam was suddenly released. The steam under high pressure at 385 degrees Fahrenheit knocked the worker to the ground and produced third-degree burns on more than 60% of his body. The worker died 2 days later in the hospital. Errors and omissions on the ship's as-built drawings had prevented shipyard personnel from completely isolating and draining the steam system. Let's take a look at some of the contributing factors that led to this fatality. Use a thermal gun or carefully place your hand near both sides of the valve to check the temperature. Verify that the steam system is drained and the drain valve is open. Be careful not to touch the pipes or valve too quickly. Approach them slowly to feel if heat is radiating from them first. If they are very hot, then they may still contain steam under pressure. Accurate drawings free from discrepancies are essential for effective energy isolation. Shipyard personnel should be properly trained to conduct a visual check of all drains and valves in a steam system that is to be drained and depressurized. Drain connections on all dead interconnecting systems must be opened and observed to ensure effective isolation. Employees authorized to perform steam system repairs should be directly involved in the isolation and lockout-tagout of the system. Direct involvement by workers in the lockout-tagout process ensures their understanding of the operation or process hazards that the lockout-tagout is designed to control and how to avoid or control these hazards. It is essential for ship's personnel and repair contractors to communicate and coordinate about the isolation and lockout-tagout of the ship's systems.